Howdy, my name is Amir and I am a PhD candidate at Texas A&M University, and this is OpenBrick. OpenBrick is a low-cost open-source educational robotics module. It can be used as the brain for your engineering design process activities or project-based learning activities. As a teacher, before I became a PhD student, I was fortunate enough to work with wonderful students and wonderful teachers in Dallas ISD. But the school where I worked at was in a low SES neighborhood, which means that most people who lived around the neighborhood were poor. As a result, the school was poor as well. And I got to see firsthand what being under-resourced means. I wanted to do robotics activities with my students, so we tried to buy something like this. This costs $250. There was no way we could buy this. This came as part of a kit. The kit costs $500. There was definitely no way that we could buy this. So we didn't do as many robotics activities as we would have liked to. But as a PhD student, I had the opportunity to research ways to solve this problem of disparities between access to educational robotics, between some students in some neighborhoods and other students in other neighborhoods. OpenBrick is my proposed solution. It's a low-cost, open-source educational robotics device. When compared to something expensive like this, it has the same number of ports and same number of auxiliary inputs. OpenBrick has 4 motor ports, 2 for stepper motors, which are precise motors, and 2 for DC motors. OpenBrick comes with an ultrasonic sensor built in and 3 auxiliary ports. One of them is an I2C port. If you don't know what I2C means, that's fine. I didn't know it either. I had to learn. I2C port allows you to connect I2C compatible devices to OpenBrick, as many devices as you want. So the true potential of OpenBrick is limitless.